Today to give you a daily update on Loopring. As you can see there, guys, LRC is starting going. We're going to be doing the Binance chart coming through here. We've got quite a bit of data, as you can see, going all the way back to June 2020, right after the March crash. Obviously, we've seen quite a strong uptrend from there. You can see the levels of resistance from this top side, from this upward sloping resistance line coming through there. You can see if we are looking for a target price there, this is what we're going to be looking for resistance there, and that's going to be all-time highs around $6 and probably $6.70 depending on when we get there in terms of the trend there. Obviously, this trend line is going to gradually progress up, so yeah, we're definitely going to need to take that into consideration for when we get there, guys, and that's going to be around $9, $8, that sort of area, depending on how strong the trend is. Now, in terms of the chart pattern that we're looking at here, it is unfortunately a broadening wedge, guys. And the reason why I hate broadening wedges, as I said previously, is because you can see the level of support that we do have here. Very nice. We love support. Good stuff. But the support and the resistance is actually getting further and further away here. As you can see, this broadening wedge is going. You can see it's getting further away, and that does actually create really quite strong fluctuations there. And that basically just kind of kills a lot of seriousness in the coin, when a lot of what's the word? A lot of confidence. A lot of confidence in the coin. If we are seeing prices come up, say we're going up like 220%, right, and then banging it all the way down, right, another 100%, like to get to $25 after being at like $7 there, it's just ridiculous. So yeah, broadening wedges, not a fan, absolutely not a fan. In terms of a strong horizontal here for Loopring that we are looking for, all-time highs, I would say around this $3.78. You can see we've actually come down from all-time highs there, tested it yet again, and seen the rejection play out. Now, compared to a lot of the other charts right now here for crypto, I mean, we obviously saw the December the 4th actually dump down. Everyone dumped on December the 4th. We actually came down, we tested this volume weighted ATR band yet again. We're still, in terms of percentages, away from that previous horizontal test zone. We're actually we're doing all right, guys. We're not too bad. We're actually still quite high up. So yeah, we've actually still got room to fall down and then bounce up there. So if we are going to actually come down to this $1.88 zone again, I would definitely expect to bounce there. I really would. And you can see this this W double bottom recovery that we did see there. Very nice charting example there. I'm not the biggest fan of them in the world, but you can see that's planned out pretty well indeed. So yeah, I would definitely expect to bounce on the volume weighted ATR band here, and you can see the support that we do get along this bad boy here, along this zone. But overall, I would say it's not looking too bad for Loopring. But in terms of resistance points to the upside, I would be inclined to do a couple of trend lines coming through there. We're definitely gonna have one coming down there, and also another one coming down like so. This might be yeah, to be fair, I kind of want to go and fan it, guys. Because when you see loads of trend lines like this, you can play with a tool called the Garn fan, and it's where is it? Where are you? Here, right, it's gonna be here, yeah. So yeah, you can play with tools from the Garn fan, and that's you basically on the all-time high there, and you basically find the most correlative point for loads of trend lines put like together, right? And as you can see there, guys, the resistance, support, and resistance consolidation, and also support there. And this is a very strong area for the central point to be looking out for. And then you can see from there, we are just seeing literally resistance. You can see consolidatory support along the halfway point, and that's basically what we're finding at this point in time. And this basically shows us quite a nice level of direction here. So if we are going to be looking at this, you can see the resistance that we have seen multiple times along this zone. So yeah, for the future, as this Garn fan is getting wider, we are hopefully looking at finding support here on this halfway point and then banging up to the third point like we have seen here, guys. And that's obviously going to be something to be looking out for. If we can get above all major moving averages there like we did see here, then yeah, I would be looking for higher prices, and that's going to be around $2.69 there. If we are going to see us dump down, as we were talking about this volume weighted ATR a minute ago, that's definitely going to be a point to be looking out for as well. And I mean, the wick down there from this December the 4th crash, that doesn't even line up with the central point of the one. So yeah, the halfway point of the Garn fan there. So and that obviously, if we lose the halfway point, like if we lose the 0.5 point for the Fibonacci, it usually signifies like a change of direction, right? So so yeah, that's definitely something to be looking out for there. yeah, that's probably what I would say about Loopring overall. Let's jump down to a shorter time frame again and see if we can get some sort of gauge on what's actually happening and what's responsible for this dump is probably BTC coming through there. But let's get some more trend lines coming through here for the shorter term there. We'd like to go on candle bodies more, and then obviously the wicks give us a sense of direction and some trap zones coming through there. I mean, this is just an insane pump to the upside. And that's what I was saying about a lot of new investors coming in, and when they do come in, they're coming in strong, right? But yeah, so I'm just not going to equate for that right now, because we did actually see this probably FOMO powered, guys, banging it all the way up, and then you can just see the retracement coming through very, very strong indeed. So yeah, in terms of a price prediction for Loopring in terms of a shorter term trade, if you are looking for a bounce point there, this is probably something to be looking out for. As I was saying, the volume weighted ATR one there on the midterm is going to be a very, very strong point if we do see us cascade down, and that's going to be $1.85. But in terms of a price prediction for, drop my pen. In terms of a price prediction for where we are now, it's going to be another dip, probably another 2% dip or something along the lines of that before we see some sort of bounce here, and that's going to be acting as the measure move completion there for Loopring. So yeah, if you did short this zone, well done, you're making cold hard cash. If you are looking for an accumulation phase, I would be looking for the 4-hour bounce there, the 4-hour bounce on that major level of support. But yeah, that's going to be your daily update today here on Loopring.